What if I told you a PC at the same price as a PS5 can actually beat it? Sounds wrong, right? Because most people think PS5 is unbeatable at this price. Right now, a PS5 costs around $600 to $650, and at that price, it's actually very powerful. Here's the truth. A PC can match and even beat PS5, but only if you build it smart. PS5 is basically a highly optimized mid-range PC, so matching it is not that easy. Your GPU matters the most, and that's where most people get it wrong. At $600, a PC usually struggles to match PS5, but around $700 to $800, now things get interesting. And here's the trick most people don't know. If you use smart parts or even used components, you can actually build a PC that competes at the same price. In many games, PC can give you higher FPS, better graphics settings, and smoother gameplay. But here's something most people ignore. PS5 is optimized for one system, while PC games have to run on thousands of different setups. That's why PS5 can feel smoother, even on weaker hardware. And let's be real, PS5 is simple. No settings, no drivers, just play. But PS5 also has hidden costs, paid online, and expensive games, while PC gives you cheaper games and free multiplayer. So here's the simple answer. If you want easy gaming, go with PS5. If you want performance and flexibility, go with PC. But choosing between them, that's where most people make a mistake. And I'll break that down in the next video.